September 30, 2024. Weather forecast of today. The center of Typhoon Julian Kraton, in international name Kraton, was estimated based on all available data at 245 km east of Calayan, Cagayan, 19.4 degrees north and 123.8 degrees east, with maximum sustained winds of 120 km per hour, near the center and the gustiness of 150 km per hour. It is moving the northwestward at 15 km per hour. Meanwhile, a tropical cyclone outside Philippine Area of Responsibility (JEVI 2417, the location is 2010 km east-northeast of extreme northern Luzon, 22.2 degrees north and 141.1 degrees east, with maximum sustained winds of 75 km per hour and a gustiness of up to 90 km per hour. And the movement is north-northwestward at 25 km per hour. Forecast weather places under signal number 3 over Batanes and northeastern portion of Babuyan Islands as Typhoon Julian maintained its strength. Signal number 2 mainland Cagayan, Apayao, Ilocos Norte. Signal number 1 Ilocos Sur, La Union, Abra, Kalinga, Ifugao, Mountain Province, Benguet. For the weather condition of Batanes, Cagayan, including Babuyan Islands, Apayao, Ilocos Norte is stormy, caused by Typhoon Julian, and there's a possible flash floods or landslides due to heavy to intense rains. Minor to moderate threat of lives and properties due to strong winds for Aurora and the rest of Ilocos region, Cordillera, Administrative region, and Cagayan Valley. The weather is rains with gust winds caused by Typhoon Julian, and there's a possible of flash floods and landslides due to moderate to heavy with times intense rain. Minimal to minor threat to lives and properties due to strong winds for Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Oriental Mindoro, Occidental Mindoro, Marinduque, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, and the rest of Central Luzon. Cloudy skies with scattered rain showers or thunderstorms caused by Typhoon Julian, and there's a possible flash floods or landslides due to heavy rain. For the rest of the country, partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorms caused by localized thunderstorms, and there's a possible flash floods or landslides due to moderate to at times heavy rains. For forecast of wind and coastal water condition of the country, for northern Luzon, the speed of wind is strong, and the direction is from northwest to southwest, and the coastal water condition is rough from 2.8 to 4.0 meters. For central Luzon and the eastern section of southern Luzon, the speed of wind is moderate to strong, and the direction is northwest to southwest, and the coastal water condition is moderate to rough from 2.1 to 3.0 meters. For the rest of the country, the speed of wind is light to moderate, and the direction is south to southwest, and the coastal water condition slight to moderate from 0.6 to 2.5 meters. For Ormoc City weather, the temperature is 32 degrees Celsius, and the humidity will make high and feels like 40 degrees Celsius. The ultraviolet index is low, and the wind is 3 km per hour, and the humidity is 91%. Rain possible at 9 o'clock, ultraviolet will be extreme. Sa mga crush namin dyan, limit sun exposure. Mga Inday, pag sunblock mo. Sunrise is at 5:30 am this morning, and don't miss the beautiful sunset at 5:32 this afternoon. This weather information is from Pagasa official website, issued at Science Garden in Diliman, Quezon City, for Once Channel Daily Weather Report, saying, Hugot bisdak. Crush, nag-study kag Mayo? Wa man gud nimo nasabdan ang GMRC. Good manners and right crush back. Char.